Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the DeepSeek sign-up code not received in mobile device. So there are some users that are experiencing issues with not receiving the DeepSeek sign-up code. So it can be really frustrating. So I'm going to give you some of the methods with the help of which you can easily resolve this issue. So first of all, you will have to check DeepSeek's server status, and for that you just have to simply open your web browser and you need to go to the DeepSeek server status page. Over here you just have to check if there is any issue that is going on, and if there is any issue from the DeepSeek's end, you cannot do anything but to just wait until the issue is fixed. In the second method, you just have to simply go back and long press on your DeepSeek AI's application. After that, you need to go into app info, and once you are in app info, you need to tap on storage. In the storage, you will see the option of clear data. So you need to tap on clear data first and then tap on clear cache. After that, you just have to try to log in into your account with the help of your number and email address, and then you just have to check whether you are getting the code or not. Now, in the third method, what you can do is you can simply use a VPN, because I have seen some users that have found success with this method. So you can also try this one. And for this purpose, you can easily use any free VPN. But if you use the paid one, there is high probability that you might fix this issue more clearly. So you just have to open Google Play Store or App Store, and here you can simply search for VPN. Now, once you search for VPN, you will see a bunch of different VPNs over here. Some might be paid, some might be free. So if you want to download the free VPN, so this one that I recommend, that is VPN Proton. So you just have to simply download and install it in your device. After that, you just have to establish a successful connection, and then you just have to try to log in into your account. In my opinion, you are definitely going to fix this issue with the help of these three methods and the last one. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.